Hi, we're Mallory and Savannah. We are two best friends that have a DIY blog called Bossy Clutter.
We truly believe that if you can dream it, you can do it. And this is where our DIY meets design. When I pick out furniture for my house, I love to pick it out, order it, and use it for a little while before I share it with you guys, because I want to make sure I genuinely love it and everything goes well before I ever recommend a product to you guys. So today what I'm going to do is take you through and show you our favorite items from Article. Article is one of our favorite furniture stores because they have great prices, it's super durable and quality materials, and very on trend and beautiful pieces. So I'm going to show you a few of my favorite things that we used in Carter's room. The first thing I decided on when I started designing Carter's room was the Sera Headboard from Article. This is made of Italian tanned leather and it is like buttery soft. I love the warm brown color. The installation took like 15 minutes. It's assembled using a French cleat that you basically secure to the studs in your wall, and you literally can like hang it up kind of like a picture frame. It's really cool and really simple to install, and we've absolutely loved it. I also love it for Carter because he's 11 and his little brothers love to come and jump on his bed and play with him, or they hang out in here at night and have story time, and sometimes little boys make messes, and this thing is totally easy to clean. That is definitely one of my favorite parts. The perfect complement to the Sera Headboard is the Bossy floating bed frame. So this is a quality veneer that is painted black, and then it also has very cute solid wood mid-century modern legs. I love the sleek design and it's super sturdy. I do love that it operates independently of the headboard, because if someone jumps on the bed, the headboard doesn't rattle or move, and that has been super nice with 5 rambunctious little boys. What I love about these wall sconces is that they plug in, so there's no hard wiring required. You can just run it straight to the outlet behind any nightstand. At the end of his bed, we have the Level Bella brown bench from Article. The legs are the cutest. I love how they're a little bit different on each side, so it makes it a little bit unique, and you can totally flip it either direction. Again, the beautiful Italian leather, and we went with the brown one, so it didn't totally match, like it wasn't matchy-matchy with the headboard, but it totally complements it. Thanks for checking out Carter's room with me. I absolutely love how it came together, and so does Carter. I know we would not have pulled it off without the beautiful furniture that we got from Article, and I love every single piece. It totally elevated the design. It gives it a mature, sophisticated look, and the quality is there, so it's going to last us many, many years, and we absolutely love it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye!